Oos, it is Impz. Say what's up, konnichiwa. This video more cool stuff from tamashii Nation's Tokyo in Akihabara. And in this video, we take a look at the FiguartsZero Chainsaw Man. And this is coming out this month, actually, in July of 2023. Actually, at the end of the month, I think. And it's on sale for 9,350 yen, which is 9,350 yen. But yeah, very good-looking Chainsaw Man, I think. And it's quite affordable, not so expensive, and comes with some effects. And the pose is pretty good, I think. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Oos. Thanks for watching.